Okay, folks, that was the Huntsville Operations Center for NASA. Apparently, they're having difficulties getting the radio turned on the ISS. We're going to go ahead and continue to call in hopes that they'll sort it out. And if for some reason things don't work out, I'm sure the NASA team will help us reschedule our contact. And as John mentioned, this is an experiment. And of course, experiments don't always work the first time. So with that, we'll continue to call. This is AB10C. November Alpha 1 Sierra Sierra. November Alpha 1 Sierra Sierra. Any copy on Alpha Bravo 1 Oscar Charlie?
Alpha Bravo 1 Oscar Charlie. This is November Alpha 1 Sierra Sierra. How do you read me? Over.
We copy you real well, Chris, and thank you for sorting out the issues up there in space and for doing the contact with us today. Are you ready for the students' questions? Over.
I'm ready for the questions. Over. Sorry about the delay.
That's all right. Go ahead, students. Kathy, go ahead and ask your questions. This is AB10C. Over to you. Kathy, we do not have the student audio. Chris, this is AB10C. Are you still with us there? Stand by.
I'm still with you, and I have the list of questions. I can just go right into them. If I think that might be logistically easier given the time restrictions that we now have. Over.
All right, let's give the students one last chance. Students, ask away. All right, Chris. Okay, first question, Chris. Go ahead.
Okay, I have a question from Miles. What does the sun look like from outer space? Good question, Miles. The sun is the same exact appearance that we see on Earth. It's the same size and the same intensity, although we don't have the protection of the atmosphere, so it's very, very bright for us. Next question from Henry. How comfortable is it to sleep in space? We actually sleep very well. We float inside our sleeping bags and we tie our sleeping bags to the wall. And once you get used to not having a pillow for your head, it's very comfortable to sleep here.
Hey, Chris, stand by one.
Standing by, over.
I think we have the students. Catherine, are you there? If so, answer your question.
Hi, this is Catherine. What's the one thing you want to eat when you get back to Earth? Over.
Catherine, the thing I want to eat when I come back to Earth is homemade chocolate chip cookies. Over.
Hi, I'm Jade. I heard that stars are red, yellow, and blue. Can you see those colors in space when you look at the stars? Over.
It was difficult to hear that question, but I heard the word stars, and the stars look very similar to what we see on Earth. Except they don't have a twinkle to them. They're a nice bright dot. Sorry if I didn't answer exactly the question, but I couldn't hear. Over.
Hi, my name is Bailey. Besides your family, what do you miss most while being in space? Over.
Bailey, the thing I miss most from being in space is the smells of Earth. The smell of the outside, the smell of fresh air, the smell of the ocean. Those are the things we don't have here on the space station. Over.
Hi, my name is Chase. What are your thoughts on our COVID-19 situation right now? Does the Earth look differently over the last 3 months now that many people are inside and not creating pollution? Over.
Good question, Chase. Does not look any different from us.
Okay, folks, it looks like we've lost the ISS. Obviously, we had a few little glitches there, but we did get in a few questions. And how about a nice round of applause for Chris helping us try to talk to the ISS today? Go ahead, kids.
Thanks.